Is this hungry for me? I'm hungry.
My brother, come and join me.
Just hold it there. Join your regular diet. Bro, please talk to me now. Auntie, say something.
Haven't you heard?
About what?
About Hiomat's ethnic clothing store.
Is that a name of vehicle?
My brother, if you are not informed, you are deformed.
Please tell me more about these things.
It's an online delivery company that deals with fresh food, drinks, tropical sauces, seasonings, and even snacks.
Okay.
Let me shock you.
Fire me.
They tactically deliver within 48 hours.
I cannot wait to. Hungry will just kill me before then.
You know what? Just go place your order, come to my apartment, we'll share some of mine.
There's love in sharing, no.
There's peace in eating alone.
I need one.
Yeah, him. But how can I get these things?
Just go to Google, search almat.co.uk. They will deliver to your doorstep.
Very good. Thank you for this great information.
Go place your order.
Rahim, huh?